time, media, and information are all elements the Ministry of Education and Youth is using in the teaching and learning environment to ensure the needs of all students are met.
Time is so important. We have to let our students spend time with the media, whatever it is. So we have to present the information in different medias and then give them the opportunities to spend time with the information. So don't feel you're overloading them. Give them the information. Don't let it be that they are in need of some information or content and it's not available. You did not expose them to it. Ensure that you utilize all the resources that we are presenting and give the students as much practice, engagement to spend time with the information so that they will get it, they will learn it. After you have exposed them to the media, you have given them time to engage with the content, the media. What is the feedback you're going to get from that information? How are you going to utilize that information to make decisions for your students and yourself? There are the students that you can just give them the media and they will get it in whatever form you give it to them. So, knowing that difference in your students, you are now better able to support the ones that you need to pay extra attention to. First, we want to look at our Google Workspace. It provides you with tools for collaborating class, and some of those tools are their Classroom, your Google Classroom, your Google Docs, your Google Sheets, slides, and it also helps you to communicate. From there, that gave us the opportunity to give you your email accounts. This is how your classroom should really look, with all your teachers in one space and a fully managed online school.
By effectively managing their time, incorporating media into their lessons, and providing access to high-quality information, teachers can create a learning environment that is engaging, interactive, and effective for all students.